Samantha and Bryan, entering into marriage. This is God's gift to you. Treasure your marriage always then, as that His gift to you. For through this gift of God, the two of you become one flesh, a blending of your two individual persons, even as you both remain yourselves.
Sam, you've been my best friend for all my life. You've been my first friend. You've been my only friend at some point in my life. And I honestly don't know what I would have done without you. I'm so grateful to have a sister like you. I can't wait to have kids so they can be just like us. Maybe not 8 years apart, but like, I love it.
I wanna feel like this forever and catch my breath every time you step into a room.
Bryan, we are so happy to have you in our family. You're the perfect man for Sam. You're hardworking, smart, caring, you have a huge heart, and you're patient. Very patient. And I know you will be a great husband and father.
Bryan and I are only 2 years apart, so it was always comforting to know that when I entered a new school, Bryan would be there. Bryan and I would take the bus together, and he would always look out for me. I know that Sam will be in good hands with Bryan. Bryan will look after Sam just like he looked after for me. I'm happy they found each other and wish them the best.
So there's this concept today that I'm giving my daughter. Today is the addition of our son, Bryan, to our family. And we are so happy and blessed to take his beautiful family and ours and create a new one. Sam, Bryan, we wish you all a lifetime of love, good health, happiness, and prosperity.
I, Bryan, take you, Samantha, to be my wife.
I, Samantha, take you, Bryan, to be my husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish for the rest of our lives. This is my solemn vow.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Terracone.
If we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. Second that it takes is a sign we're on the way.
Sam changed Bryan's life. She's a complete package. Not only did Bryan gain a wonderful woman to share his life with, I gained a sister-in-law.
So let us now raise our glasses to Brian and Sam, two that have found their forever teammate in each other. May you continue to lead with your hearts, laugh a lot, and of course always yell, "Let's go Rangers." Cheers.